Peace, fam. Welcome back to another video with Credit Healing. Today we'll be answering a question from one of our YouTube viewers. His name is Mr. Bain. And the question is in regards to your scores calibrating. So during the dispute process, sometimes it will go up and then it'll go down, etc. And so what causes that? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to actually include that for you in the description below. And if you're interested in watching this particular subject, you can do so accordingly. But Mr. Baines, he asked a question. He says, this happened to me. I removed the student loan. Score went down 95 points. What do I do now? Now, Mr. Baines, to answer your question, this may not necessarily apply to you, and this is why. Because when you remove a student loan, or if a student loan is disputed and it happens to be removed, this is very difficult, by the way, for those who may not necessarily know how to do it. But if you were to dispute a student loan and your score went down 95 points, most likely your scores were not being calibrated. What actually happened was that your scores went down because something or an account that was included in your particular credit report was then removed. So if you were to make a payment over a period of time for a specific account and then you were to remove it, then what happens is all of the positive payments for that particular account will then be removed as well. Then this will then cause your scores to drop. So now you're in a dilemma. If you remove any derogatory item, specifically a loan or a revolving account, you have to be very mindful about anything that may bring your scores down, because you don't want for an account that has more positive payments than negative payments to be removed from your credit report, or an account with longer payment history. So just be very mindful about that. You don't want to just be quote unquote gung ho and go out and try to dispute everything. You have to know what you're doing, or you may actually hurt yourself in the long run. All right, family. So thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at 225-733-6429. You can also email me at contact@credithealing.org. And for those of you who want to get started, go to www.credithealing.org. Peace.